What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Tesla video. In this one I have 2020.12.5. I did an update video about this once already. However, today is a twist. I want to show the comparison between 12.5 running on hardware 3, the full self-driving computer, versus it running on a 2.5 hardware, just to show you guys the difference. So real quick, this is the full self-driving computer. We have Dashcam Viewer. We have out of order supercharger stalls, and that is it. We also have, just important to note, if we go under autopilot, we have full self-driving visualization preview. The 2.5 car will not have that. However, it should have pylons. So I want to make sure, and I want to see if the, we just saved my dashcam footage. I want to see if the launch viewer is in 2.5, and I want to see how the pylons work. I'm going to go for a quick drive. I'll show you guys some of the visualization on the screen here. Pylons, lights, stop signs, and then we're going to do a comparison, and we'll compare features and everything else. Alright, so here we can see streetlights, pylons. There's a pylon here. It's a little bit warped. But yeah, this is with the full self-driving hardware. We're going to go check out with 2.5, see the feature difference, and then we're going to go for a drive and check out pylons with... Alright, so we are in the 2.5 car here. You can see 2020 12.5. We're going to go to release notes, and we're going to see what's new. I wonder if it says pylons. I haven't actually seen the release notes on here. It says, driving visualization improvements. Now displays traffic cones. So it actually says that cones are enabled. So that's kind of cool. I wasn't expecting that. I was just expecting it to just kind of happen. But because there shouldn't be a driving visualization toggle, Dashcam Viewer is here, and out of order stalls. So let's look at the Dashcam Viewer real quick. And alright, so this is the viewer running on 2.5. So it works the same. There's no noticeable, I was playing around with it a little bit, there's no noticeable speed difference between this and the hardware 3 computer. The one thing I will say is the picture itself, the quality is slightly better. I should have probably done a like 1-in-1, but I guess I'd have to be in the same exact location. But nonetheless, this works. Let's see the settings real quick. So we go to autopilot, and you can see there's no driving visualization. So I'm going to try going back to the same exact location that I was when I'm showing you the hardware 3 computer, and we'll see the difference if they can pick up the pylon the same exact way with 2.5 hardware. And I'll just do some pylons if I see them along the way. Alright, let's go. This is not the same location, but there's a pylon there, and it shows up here, and it's showing up some up on this side, but it's the yellow crosswalk post that was appearing. But I'm going to be going to go back to the same location where I filmed with the hardware 3, and I want to be in the same exact position, hopefully, to see if it works. There's a pylon up there. Does it show? No, it didn't. It did, actually. It showed it as we were turning. I find that hardware 3 does pick them up a little bit better in terms of like distance, so I can be further back and it will see them. But nonetheless, it does pick it up. So let's try the same exact location. Oh, pylon alert. And right there. I never noticed how many pylons there are on the road until they started showing up on my screen. There's another one right up here coming up on the right, and it will be up on the screen. Again, it's unbelievable how many pylons there are until you actually start looking for them. Okay, so this is the same exact location where I was with hardware 3. You can see the pylon over here, and this is the broken pylon that I was talking about before. So it works identical. The only real difference that I can tell so far between hardware 3 and hardware 2.5 in terms of at least picking up pylons, because this obviously can't do the streetlights like hardware 3 can, is that hardware 3 picks them up a little bit quicker, so you can have more distance in front of you. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like. Do comment down below, what are your thoughts? Are you excited? Are you a 2.5 owner excited about pylons? Personally, not for me. When we got the streetlights, that's when I was excited. But nonetheless, make sure to leave a comment, like the video, do subscribe for more Tesla content, and thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time.